What's up, guys? That's been welcome back to our reaction channel. So today we got always verify before opening the door part 2, caught on Ring Doorbell. Yeah, we got a Ring Doorbell video, so make sure you like and subscribe. But this is part 2. I didn't even watch part 1. So what? Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get it.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Doorbell News.
Chicago, Illinois. A man with a hoodie
Oh, we got a commentator, bro.
rings somebody's doorbell after midnight.
Strange man at the door. Beware. I came to the house after midnight asking to use my stove. Nigga came at midnight asking to use the stove. Bruh. Comment down below, guys. Are you guys opening the door so you can use your stove? Because he obviously wants to use the stove, right? Comment down below, bro.
Who is it?
Can I use your stove?
No, you cannot.
Phone or stove?
Can you use my phone?
Thank you.
Get lost.
Didn't it just say stove? Bro, is it the phone or stove, bro? Because I don't think he's gonna.
Who
I
is
don't think he's
it?
gonna want to use a stove, bro.
Can I use your stove?
No, you
This say
cannot.
stove.
Can you use my phone?
Thank you.
Get lost. Anchorage, Alaska.
The hell is this, bro?
I don't know what this lady wants. It's 12:30 a.m. She's walking around barefoot, with no shirt on. I mean, this is Alaska. You know it's cold out there this time of year. I don't know what she's up to.
Weird ass people, bro. What is she doing, bro?
She seems to think this is funny.
Bro, what is this, bro?
It's just me. I'm sorry, my feet are starting to hurt again. It's been a long, long way. Try to look different now, but I'm excited to see you.
Get lost.
Don't do drugs, kids. This is what happens when this is exactly what happens when you do drugs, bro.
Luckily, that door was locked. She would have walked right in. San
Yeah,
Leandro,
not a shirtless
California.
person.
Look at this guy.
Bro.
This guy has all type of tattoos on his face. Got his eyeball up.
I want your house.
You want my house? This guy definitely needs to put a shirt on. Nobody wants to see that. You think he's cool with his little fedora hat or something? Get lost.
Get lost.
Came
Bro,
to
what
the
is
front
this, bro?
door yet.
I'm not looking for him to react to more doorbell news, bro.
I'm coming to the front door.
Why all these people are just at your door with no shirt on, bro?
Yeah, come through the front door and see what happens, buddy.
Are those keys?
He pulls out some keys and tries to open the door. He's apparently out of his mind. This definitely isn't his house.
Bro. A stranger rang the doorbell and tries to break in at 6. But it's 6 a.m., bro.
Wrong keys, buddy. Wrong key, buddy. Get lost.
Bro, who's this nigga commentating, bro?
Bronx, New York.
Stealing
Yeah,
packages?
that lady that lives across the hall, she's stealing your packages. Yeah, it was her. Yeah. We got you on camera, lady.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Another win for Ring Camera. A creep hits the Ring Camera and automatically surrenders.
Ring did a great job.
Yeah, we got you on camera, buddy.
That's tough, bro.
San Leandro, California.
Where is she going, bro?
Look at this lady. She comes to someone's backyard and goes for their radio flyer. This really
Bruh,
pisses
ain't no
me
way,
off. I used to have a radio flyer when I was a kid. If some lady stole my radio flyer, I would have been devastated.
Taking without permission. Realize prior to agree with flyer. What, man?
We'll buy your own radio flyer, lady.
The radio flyer, bro. Just
makes
like
me
that?
sick.
Bro, she just takes it and just walks out,
Get
bro.
lost. I better not see you again with my radio flyer.
You know way she just takes it and just walks out, bro. Bro, what the hell? Bro, imagine if these people didn't install like cameras or any ring doorbell system, bro. Imagine the amount of weird shit wouldn't even caught on camera.
Chicago, Illinois. For all you
If there was no camera, just wake up one day and your shit just gone and you're like, bro, where the hell did it go? Not knowing some random ass lady just stole that shit.
subscribers that just subscribed can't leave plants outside anymore.
Niggas stealing plants
Yeah,
too? Oh my
this guy's
god,
taking
bro.
them all. Charlotte, North Carolina. Never know what's gonna
What
happen
lady
late night.
still stealing now, bro?
Who's this person walking up to this house?
Random ass lady again. At least she has a shirt on this thing, bro.
It appears to be after midnight, and the homeowner doesn't know this lady. Looks like a man is in the background with a hoodie on. This looks real sus.
Indeed, bro.
Look at her leg. It's all shaking. She looks nervous, kind of tweaky.
Imagine what.
She definitely
Bro,
looks
imagine what would happen if you like open your door, bro, and people just rob you or some shit.
dusty.
Mimi.
Me? Me who? Get
Did you
lost.
say me?
I don't know you, lady. You look dusty. Who's that guy creeping in the background? Meanwhile, at Anchorage, this guy walks up to a business. He has a big pickaxe in his hand. He automatically goes for the camera. And he tries to break inside. Long Beach, California.
Is that all? Where's the rest of the clip? Nah, bro, this nigga just walks up.
This guy walks up to a business. He has a big pick.
Got your face, but look at this nigga, bro. Look at this, bro.
Pickaxe in his hand. He automatically goes for the camera.
This ain't Fortnite, bro. This nigga really care for some mods.
Walks up to a business. He has a big pickaxe in his
This ain't
hand.
Fortnite, bro.
He automatically goes for the camera.
Yes, pickaxe.
And he tries to break inside. Long Beach, California. Some lady with a neon yellow shirt on
Big ass
is
shirt.
walking around with a like she's trying to get a survey signed, but she looks like she needs to go get lost.
Alright, bro.
Yeah,
This commentator needs
I don't know
to
what she's
chill, bro.
on.
Chill in the commentating, bro. Beware. Person has been harassing the neighborhood. Luckily, someone had already called the cops.
Got a dance she's doing. I don't know what's going on with this lady.
Bro, don't do drugs, bro. You're like a freaking crackhead.
The homeowner knocks on the window. This homeowner is not having it. She comes outside and confronts her.
Bro, you going outside? You sure you want? Nah, bro. I ain't opening my door for that shit, bro. Y'all, she went outside to confront her? Nah. Bro, what the hell is that?
Get out of here. Go, 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 go.
Meanwhile, at
Bro,
San
you gotta
Leandro,
show the rest of the clip.
Andrew,
Another nigga without shirt. Bro, alright, bro. What's up with these niggas without shirts, bro? Why, bro? Does he have a shirt in his hand?
this guy,
Nigga, put
no
that shit
shirt
on.
on, is ringing people's bells again late night. This is a whole different day. It's like he goes out and
2 a.m.,
does this
bro.
every night.
2 a.m. with no shirt on. Nigga, put on your shirt, bro.
Yeah, be on the lookout for this guy. Looks like he's up to no good.
Bro, the thing is,
Always
he has
keep
a shirt
those
in his
doors
hand,
locked.
too.
This guy looks like a creep. Get lost.
Another nigga
Meanwhile, in
stealing plants.
Chicago, can't leave plants outside anymore. This guy's cleaning up.
Is it the same
Been
guy?
stealing plants all day and all night.
Is it the same guy?
Bronx, New York. This ratchet
Don't tell me
Rapunzel
another person from the Bronx stealing packages, bro.
is going around stealing packages.
Another one, bro. Hey, man. I would have been finessing some packages, too.
I never seen so much leave in my life.
Damn,
Get
bro.
lost.
She got a brand new phone for Christmas. I'm Steve's package.
Hi. You are currently being recorded.
Meanwhile, in Charlotte,
Is that the same
this
girl?
girl or whatever is outside still tweaking with her hoodie
That's
on,
the same person.
looking like she's up to something. I don't like the looks of this girl.
Hello?
Is she at the same house or is that a different
Hi.
house?
Yeah, sorry. Nobody's here for you, lady. Get lost.
Get
I
lost.
don't ever want to see you creeping around my house with your hoodie on again.
Why they
Yeah, I'm
walking
gonna be on the lookout for you
completely different
too.
directions, bro?
He goes right, she goes left. Yeah, they was up to something.
Bro, what the
Yeah, they
hell
look
is this,
real
man?
suspicious. Yeah. Meanwhile in
The nigga stealing
Chicago,
plants again?
he's getting all the plants in the neighborhood. He's the plant guy. If you need plants and flowers, you go see him because he has it all for the low. This guy's a creep. Don't buy any plants from this guy. He steals them.
Ain't no way, bro.
Get lost. Can't even leave plants outside anymore. New episode coming tomorrow. Make sure you like the video.
That's it?
Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already.
Does he come
We
back
got a
for the
lot of
rest of the
videos
plants?
like this.
Nigga just steals the plant and country, just walks off, bro. W side hustle, bro.
Doorbell
W side hustle, man.
Crime Watch coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe to
Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you guys want me to watch more Doorbell fails. Technically, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Let's will never stop. Let's will keep on going.